Whenever your iPhone behaves strangely, the first thing you should do is force restart it. It helps fix operating system problems by clearing cache files and closing all foreground and background apps and activities. But you find that iPhone force restart doesn't work. Don't worry, this video is a complete guide on what to do when your iPhone won't force restart. Let's dive in. This issue might stem from software glitches, app corruption, or battery issues. Incorrectly restarting the program could lead to significant damage, especially when the battery is low, preventing iOS devices from restarting. This also depends on the specific condition of your phone. Please continue watching this video, as we have provided detailed solutions for most common problems, including scenarios where iPhone force restart not working. If the iPhone force restart feature doesn't work on your iPhone, make sure it has enough power. A low device battery may prevent it from restarting. Charge your iPhone for at least 15 minutes and then try to force restart it. If your phone has been fully charged, but none of them worked, a serious error on your device must not allow the operating system to force restart. In this case, you must use the Smart Tool AnyFix to eliminate the error and fix potential problems like iPhone force restart not working. AnyFix offers 3 system repair modes to meet your specific needs, ensuring to fix all problems on your iPhone with the highest success rate ever. Firstly, download AnyFix and connect your iPhone to the computer with USB cable, then choose System Repair Mode, then choose Device Bug and click the Start Now button. Then choose the Repair Mode. Now you can try Standard Repair first. Then click the Download button to download the firmware for your iPhone. Then click Start Standard Repair to start repairing. Some minutes later, you'll see iOS Repairing Completed page. AnyFix is designed to fix iOS-related issues on iPhone and iPad. It can fix more than 150 iOS-related issues, including key issues like iPhone stuck on Apple logo, iPhone freezing, or iPhone black screen, in addition to fixing iPhone force restart not working without losing data. Helps you easily enter recovery mode on iOS devices for free. In addition, AnyFix can upgrade and downgrade your iPhone, iPad and iPod to any iOS or iPadOS version. Click the link in the description to download it now. You can also restore your iPhone with iTunes to fix the force restart not working on iPhone issue. For this, you need to have a recently created backup of your iPhone stored on your iTunes. If you've it, follow the steps below to learn how to restore your iPhone with iTunes. Launch the iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone to it. Then click on the tiny iPhone icon in iTunes and restore the iPhone. Now just follow the on-screen instructions to restore your iPhone via iTunes. In addition, Apple regularly monitors and releases updates to fix iPhone software glitches, so you can also check for software upgrades. Old versions of iOS may cause some minor troubles, so it is best to update to the latest version. Follow the detailed steps below to learn how to update iOS on your iPhone. On your iPhone, open the Settings app, then go to the General Settings section, then select the Software Update option and check for updates. If there is an update available, click Download and Install to start the process. If none of the above methods can fix the iPhone force restart not working issue, you should contact Apple customer service. Your phone problem is most likely caused by a hardware failure. We cannot repair hardware unless you are a professional. Contact Apple and explain your problem and they will repair your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.